Hello families, and welcome to a FamilyCore app tutorial. Sometimes there can be a lot going on in the FamilyCore app, and it can be difficult keeping track of what members added or changed. With the activity feed, users can stay up to date. There are 3 ways to access the feed. First, in the dashboard, scroll down until you see activity. Second, through the drop-down menu in the top left corner of the page, you can find the activity page. And third is the My FamilyCore page. The activity page will show you the records of all the files you've created, updated, and deleted, as well as the status of things members have shared with everyone or just you. This includes documents, contacts, events, check-ins, and tasks. To go further back to older activities, just scroll down and tap on Load More. As an admin, you can see everyone's activities by tapping on the All icon. Or tapping on a single user's profile icon, you can see their activities and items that they were assigned to or tagged to them. And now you know how to use the activity feed. Life can be chaotic. We help make it simple. Download FamilyCore today. And thank you for tuning in.